So in this video we will draw a plate avec holes and bolts. So we don't need this. We can delete it from here. Yes. Okay. What's wrong? Some reference body for the mirror feature are missing. Edit the feature to select the body. So I can do here. I can do delete. Yes. So all the trim element here, and that I will delete it all. So this line, if I delete it, I will delete all the sketch. So I can do edit and then I can delete this line. Okay, yes, and then from here, so I'm okay. So for drawing the plate, I can click here and then from here edit feature, not edit feature, no, it's a sketch. So I have this vision, this vision, then I will define the plate. So here I choose a rectangle from the center. I choose here the center, and then I can going on, and then I define a random point. So I have all these parameters. Okay, I do check yes, and then smart dimension here, smart dimension. So I can choose from here to here. I have 32. I can 30 millimeters, it's enough. So it's the same. Yes, it's the same. Cancel. So it's okay. So yes, and then I can exit from here. So we are good. And then I have to use the famous command extruded here, and the thickness of this plate, where I will do 5 millimeters. So and then we will do trim and extend, but because there is some steel here, so I do yes, okay, and then trim and extend. And for do trim and extend, we have to go to weldment and then trim and extend. So body to be trimmed is this, and face I have to check here, and face here. So we have discard. Okay, it's okay, keep, and then I have many types of trim and extend. I can, so here and okay, so I'm good. Then I can do the same way in the, I can do mirror. So mirror, where is mirror here, feature, mirror. Okay, I'm good. Mirror fast, so it's right here. And then body I have this, so very easy and very quick, so I'm good. And for trim and extend, the same way, I can do weldment, trim and extend, Pasco trim and extend for structure elements. It's not for geometry shapes. So body to be trimmed here, and then face it's here, and then check, I'm okay. So the plate is done. Then the second things I can do is to define hole and bolts, and we have to to be precise. So we will create a grid in the plate. Okay, we can create, for example, here I choose the plate and then sketch. So sketch, then I choose line here. So from here to here I have my first line. I can choose here the same thing, select. I choose another line from here to here, select. I'm okay. Then I choose, for example, from here to here. So I can choose, for example, from here to here, and then from here to here, because I want two midpoint. So select, I need midpoint from here to here, select, and then I can define like that, select. The same way here I can do like that, select, I can. So we are okay, and then midpoint from here to here. Okay, and then what we can do, we cannot do, so we can do like that, and then we can do another like that. Okay, we are good. Then to define hole in this plate, we go to weldment, and we have to exit from here, and then weldment, and then hole. So we have different type of holes. So we have type, position, we have different hole here. So we have to define the type of hole, it's type here, and the position is here. So I can choose this, for example, and have, and then it depends the type of bolts. So in English, and size is depend to you, and this up to surface, to surface, or through all, or up to next. So up to surface, we have to define which surface. So surface, for example, I can define this, and we can position, for example, so midpoint box, then okay, it's very big, so it's very big. So we have two poles, for example, so like that. Okay, and then position, 3D sketch, so like that. So well, as we can see, and then, for example, here, for example, here, and for example, here. So it's peak hole. So it's good for illustration, so we can, and then do check yes. So we have this, so we have this word. It's very enormous, but not a problem. So it's here like that. We have a lot of content here because we still the steel, there isn't enough steel here, but okay, it's not a problem for the moment. It's for illustration. So we have the we have to change the type of pose. So I can change it from here, edit for example, and then for example I can change, I don't know, heavy blending, so like that I can, okay, so yes, that is more logical and more yes. Okay, it's good, not a problem. Okay, that's for this videos. To the next videos, it's for pulse and gussets.